Hello, let's talk about temperature. Every now and again, your thermometer, for whatever stupid reason, gets stuck in Celsius, and of course it had to be on that critical patient, and of course that critical patient is also somewhat aggressive, so now you're stuck with a number on a thermometer, and you're going, well, how? How do I deal with that? You can always go to the computer, right? And you can just Google Celsius to Fahrenheit. Absolutely. But if you're watching these, you know I'm a nerd, and I like to know the math. So, of course, there is a formula to get from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Celsius times 9 divided by 5 plus 32 equals Fahrenheit. And you always want to do it in that order so that you can get to Fahrenheit properly. Now, I know some of you are real smart with math, and you would know where to put brackets, and you would know where to put these fancy things. I don't know any of that. So I'm just going to, I guess, show you the stupid way, even though I just said I'm a nerd. I'm not that big of a nerd. So I just do it the old-fashioned, quick and dirty, if you will. So here's some bunch of numbers I wrote down. Let's turn them all into Celsius. Fahrenheit. They're all Celsius. They all got stuck on the dang thermometer, and I don't know how to change it, because as soon as I touch the dang button, it turns off. Ugh, and then it erases my number. So if you want to stop the video and you want to do these all yourself and see if you get them right, great. Otherwise, let's get started. The first one is 36.4. And we just follow our formula. Times 9 equals, divided by 5 equals, plus 32 equals 97.5. All right. Now, next one is 37.9. We're following the same thing. Times 9 divided by 5 plus 32, 100.2 degrees Fahrenheit. Next one is 39 degrees Celsius. Times 9 divided by 5 plus 32, 102.2 degrees Fahrenheit. The next one is 40.2 times 9 divided by 5 plus 32. And we have 104.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Last one, 41.1 times 9 divided by 5 plus 32, and that's 105.98. Or I suppose you just round up, 106 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. Now, just for fun, what if we went backwards? What if we want to know what Fahrenheit into Celsius is? Did you know that your bear huggers are usually written out in Celsius on the pad? Why they do that, I don't know. But it doesn't help you if it says it's 38 degrees Celsius, right? You don't know. I don't know what that is either off the top of my head. I have to do this all the time. So that's where some of this might help you, also, instead of just your thermometer. But doing it backwards, yeah, why not? For fun. If we have 106, and this, again, Fahrenheit, minus 32, and then times 5, and then divided by 9, and now we get 41.11111. And isn't that cool? Look at that, 41 and 41. You got the right answer. All right, let's see. Next one, 104.4 minus 32 times 5 divided by 9 is 40.22 degrees Celsius. Close. The extra 0.22 is because your math is always going to be a little bit different, but not terribly scarily different, right? Now we have 102.2. We take that minus 32 times 5 and divided by 9, and we get 39. Well, now that one worked out beautifully. Well, there's the fun of math. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it's a hot mess. And that's okay. Then we have 100.2 minus 32 times 5 plus, divided by 9. And that's 37.8 repeating degrees Celsius. There you are. Pretty close. Last one, 97.5 minus 32 times 5 divided by 9, and you get 36.38 repeating degrees Celsius, which would round up to 36.4. All right, so there's something easy to memorize. I have this written on my calculator. That way I can't ever forget. It's stuck with me forever. And then I can figure out when my calculator gets stuck or when I am trying to figure out what my bear hugger temperature is at. Hope that helps.